Hello guys, today we are shipping out this Lexus RX350. As you can see, this is full option with radar. It has lip spoiler. Only Platinum has this lip spoiler. That's a real full option. See these lights, see these mirrors, some video of interior. Door seals with the light, memory seats. Leather is very soft, very nice. All right, it has rear monitor screens, wireless charger, remote control, ventilation seats, multi-steering. Look at this dashboard, monitor over here. You will never mix up the real leather. That's soft. I don't know, it's Napa leather, I guess. So this one is really, it has its own feel, it has its own touch. Going back to the second row. All right, this is monitors over here. Going around the car. Okay, see, these are the rims. This is the rear view. Also, it has some body kit here. You can see down lip spoiler and some sides. Look at these white pieces. All right, this is the one. Tailgate door. About the second row, you can see these monitors are here. Remote control included. Good sound system.